Today we're talking with Marcia Waters, Investigations and Compliance Director with the Division of Real Estate for Colorado. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Dan.
Glad you're here. Well, let's talk about what you do, complaints and investigations. First, complaints, I guess, about realtors.
Exactly.
And they are?
The top one right now is mortgage fraud.
Really?
Yes.
That the realtor was involved?
Complicit in it.
And I was reading, and tell me, is it mostly about occupancy fraud?
No.
Okay.
It's what's represented in the loan documents and also the contract documents.
Really? Very interesting. So what does a realtor do to stay out of trouble in this area?
Accurately disclose all the terms of the transaction in the contract,
Okay.
so that the mortgage lender is fully aware that money will be paid to a third party if there's going to be repairs done to the property or whatever the case may be.
So is it getting a little gray area with like escrow repairs after the fact or things of that nature?
That's correct. A lot of the time what we're seeing right now are fictitious third-party companies. A lot of the times the brokers have ownership in them.
Yeah.
And then monies are going back to the buyer after closing, which most lenders do not want that to happen.
Yeah. All right. How busy are you with complaints these days? You know, people understand that this is a different marketplace than what we've ever seen. How busy are you?
We get 70 to 80 complaints a month that are assigned for investigation against real estate brokers.
And how much time do you have to invest in that?
Well, we hope to have the average investigation completed within 6 months, and we've got 7 investigators on staff, so they are more than taxed.
Can you step me through the remedy process of a particular investigation?
Well, the commission does have the right to require that the respondent pay restitution, but most of the time if we find that there's a license law violation, we discipline the license. There may be civil remedies based on our findings, but that's something that they pursue through civil court.
I was talking to a friend in California who obviously over the last several years the amount of agents in that state went up dramatically. And he said now with the current crisis, most of those people who were just in for a quick buck are out and it's being weeded out. Is some of that going on in Colorado as well?
We have 50,000 licensed real estate brokers, and we hit the 50,000 mark last year. And we've got 37,000 active ones. It's as soon as some people drop out of the industry, a new wave comes in. So we maintain pretty stable as far as our number of licensees.
So we haven't had a spike or a drop like California as
No.
far as agents are concerned?
No.
Gotcha. And is 50,000 a lot for a particular state, or do you know how that goes?
I don't know how other states compare. 50,000 is a lot. It's when you consider that 5% do most of the business. There's 95% that are out there competing for what's left.
It's true. Marcia, thanks so much. Great information. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Find more real estate videos at brokeriptv.com.